there is something quite amazing with the heat wave at the moment and the 35-degree that we have in London area. Do you agree? Yeah. And what's amazing is that that type of heat, really high, if you are on a fasting journey, intermittent fasting, OMAD, 1 meal a day, whatever else you're doing, you can take it to a step further slightly and have like liquids only during the day. If you are able to be on liquids only during the day, you are really maximizing this potential that we have right now with the sun, getting the energy from the sun, getting outside, like barefoot if you can, connecting with nature if you can, connecting with the ground and breathing the air from the outside. I live in London, so look, this is my London house, right? It's like the best I can get for nature. And I also have a piece of land with more chickens. But if you can do that, no matter where you live, be on liquids during the day, it's not going to feel like difficult because the sun really is helping you feeling nourished and full, and you won't even lose weight. Actually, I put on like, I think 2 kilos since it's been that heat wave because I feel so nourished. My body feels so nourished, and this is great because this is best for me at the moment. It's kind of like I wanted to get like more muscles and more like not bulkier, but like more flesh I get in some areas of my body. So this is working really well for me. If you're able to do that, you will really benefit from a shifted body and especially shifted DNA because you're reducing the amount of like the food intake you are having, lowering your food intake, lighting yourself up, and then the light of the sun is helping you also feel nourished, grow yourself, grow your cells, shape your body, rearrange, recalibrate your cells and the information within, and that's going to really help you also have more tap into your potential more as a human. All right, and then after this heat wave, when we go back to more of a normal type of weather, you will already feel shifted because the sun will have worked on you, like photosynthesis says, this was a plant, same stuff, right? And with the sun working on you, you will have a shifted body and shifted capacities. Really take advantage of this. Don't be someone who is like sleepy when it's sunny, can't walk outside, can't go out, have to wear like the hat, the sunglasses, the sunscreen, everything, like most people are doing because they struggle in the sun and in the heat. Don't be that type of person. Instead, be the person who knows how to take advantage of the sun because you know that the sun is nourishing. And if you reduce your food intake, you can take the best. You can make the best of that experience. And this is only here. The sun is sending all the signal on planet Earth with all those heat waves only for us to grow as humans and become more food free, literally. And alongside the food freedom, you will have more capacities. Astral traveling, one of them, through, having your pineal gland more activated and parts of your body, new channels opening through a new, more empowered DNA and beyond. But that's the general topic. Okay, I hope you get a lot of this. Join my 7-day challenge if you want more. I shall catch you up in the next video or my in-person retreat. Bye.